Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is picking the winners for the breast cancer awareness giveaways. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. It is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. For those of you that have watched me, you know that I am a breast cancer survivor going on 3 years. And so during the month of October, I like to highlight brands that give back. Of course, can I highlight every single brand? No, absolutely not. I try and highlight new ones, and I try and highlight ones that I'm very familiar with. Now, I'm going to go in the order with which I showed the products. But see, in that video, I mentioned that there's going to be other things that I'm going to give away as well. The things that I also showed you that I didn't necessarily say that were going to be in the giveaway. Well, they are going to be in the giveaway, some of them. So first, before I jump into that, I do want to show you, I did pick up another item because I mentioned that Gorjana, and I know I pronounced it wrong, just bear with me, had a pink collection, and if memory serves, they give 50% back, I want to say. And so I picked up a ring that I absolutely am obsessed by because it goes so well with Mallory, which is from Kendra Scott collection for breast cancer awareness. So I wanted to share the ring with you first and show you. I will be keeping this one. It's too hard, obviously, because I'd have to go, what's your, that becomes a little hard. It's not like a bracelet or a pair of earrings or a necklace. But I wanted to share this. Look how beautiful this ring is. I'm gonna hope my camera is going to do it justice. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And I want to show you, this is Mallory, and this is the ring. Look at that. They almost look like they were just made for each other. Gorjana has some really beautiful pieces if you're looking for a gift for yourself, or holidays are coming up, or something for a friend. But the ring itself is so pretty. Maybe if I do it this way. The camera is never going to do this justice. And don't look at my nails, they look terrible. I showed you Vineyard Vines. This particular shirt, I mentioned their mom died of breast cancer in 2003. So they came out with, Vineyard Vines, their logo is a little whale, so you can see, I just wanted to show it on me. This is a medium size up in their shirts. This is the female version. They also have a male version. Two actually, and I love it. It has a little pink ribbon wrapped in the whale, and the back has the same. So let me just show you, hopefully. Let me see where we're at. Can you guys see that? And then let me just show you the length and everything. It's super cute. I'm just wearing it with a pair of leggings today, and then I have a little pink cardigan, or a little blush cardigan. So it's a really nice t-shirt. It has some stretch to it, my son is obsessed. He's the one that turned me on to this particular brand, and then I found out that they support breast cancer awareness. So anyways, this one's mine. This one's staying with me. All right, let's get to the first one. So this was one of the new companies that I showed you. The second was Naked Cashmere, which I love their collection. The thing about Naked Cashmere is they give year-round. So like their Love collection, and they have a lot of different things. So they have beanies and gloves and these beautiful wraps. I got this one in camel, and this one says Love. It still has the tag on it. And yes, I'm gifting it to one of you. It was a surprise. So let's start with this one, okay? And it's beautiful. It is so soft, you guys. It's gorgeous. So I've already plugged it in, and I'm just gonna hit start. And we're just going through the comments, or it's going through the comments. I'm not going through any comments. So Laura Hill. So let me just show, boop, there she is. So she won. I need to snap this. And we're gonna put this all in order. Well, the beautiful thing is this is gonna tell me. So the next one is the Estee Lauder Lip Kit, which is this right here. Well, this is a box, but here it is right here, which is so cute. These are the colors. I swatched them on my hand, but if you actually want to see all the colors, I did a video and I'll list it in the description box where I tried on all 5 of the colors, and they are all limited edition in this kit. And this kit is still available, you guys. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. And they must have really stocked up, which I'm thrilled by. So let's do it. Hit start and we are going through. La, 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 la. And it's Sophia Says DIY. Aww. Awesome. She loves the Estee Lauder lippies based on my recommendation. Isn't that nice? I like that. Okay, so congratulations. Well, you love the lippies. That's awesome. Because you have 5 new ones coming. And they're really pretty. They are some really, really, especially anniversary pink. I think that's my favorite. The next is the Mallory necklace. So you will get your own. This is mine. Yes, I'm keeping Mallory. I'm keeping a Mallory, I should say. Mallory necklace. So we're gonna hit start. And the winner is Carrie Spackman. Hi, Carrie. She's a longtime subscriber. Congratulations, Carrie. No, you're gonna love this as much as I do. Oh, it's so gorgeous. So awesome. And she gets her mammogram done the first week of October. Every year. So awesome. That is awesome. The next one is from Little Words Project. Now originally, okay, so I purchased these little bracelets. I found these last year. They are big on affirmations, which I am big on affirmations. Originally, I was going to give Survivor to one of you, but I was thinking to myself, and I'm going to let this person choose. So if you want Survivor, I will send you Survivor. If you go on their website and there's a different one, like maybe you want one that says love or friendship or hope, I mean, they have a million. I will let you choose one if Survivor maybe doesn't fit what you need your affirmation to say. So I'm going to give you the choice. I'm going to start. I have to disqualify this particular person. She is gonna crack up laughing. This is my daughter. And she goes, but Mom, it would only be fair. Yes, it would, daughter, but she already gets what she wants anyways, but I thought it was really cute. Look, you won, but you really didn't. So we're gonna choose a different winner. I love it. I'll give her a bracelet that says something. Let's pick another winner. Okay, that was so funny. Whoop, 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 and it's going. It went so fast. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Lisa B. Lisa B, you are the winner. I thought that was so funny. Of course, my daughter won. So Lisa B, you're the winner. Congratulations. So you have a choice. If you want the Survivor, perfect. If you want to choose, you go on their website. So Lisa B, in the description box will be the link to Little Words Project, so you can look and I can send it directly to you. Either way works for me, or Survivor. I'm gonna keep both of them, so you can go. So either way works. Now, because I really, really, really enjoy giving back to you guys as much as I can, since the Estee Lauder lip kits are still available, I am going to choose another winner for the Estee Lauder lip kit. The reason, one of the reasons is, one, I think you'll enjoy it, but the big reason is that they are the biggest contributor to breast cancer research. And so I want to give to them as much as I can because they give back to us. So let's go ahead and pick another winner. And here we go. It's doing its thing. Boop. Donna Moray Donna. I know, you've been with me a while. I don't know how to pronounce your last name. Moray? Moray? Am I right? Is it Moray? Gotta let me know. She is just the sweetest person, and she is one of those that just loves handing out affirmations. So, Estee Lauder lip kit. Now, I am praying I don't get myself into a bind here because I'm doing this only within 24 hours, so I hope tomorrow, but we'll work something out if for some reason the lip kit's not available. So, you know we're going to do one more, right? You know we are. We're going to do one more. We're going to do another lip kit. Yes, of course we are. Of course we are. So we're going to pick another one. And here we go. Blub, 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 blub. And Rhelda Estenson. I love these brands supporting cancer too. And thank you for the congratulations on my 3 years. So, breast cancer awareness lip kit will go directly from Estee Lauder to you. You guys, well, that is it for the giveaways. Congratulations to the winners. And the thing that I really want you to get out of this, and the reason that I do this video is twofold. One is to remind everyone to get their mammogram done every year. It saved my life, and it's an easy thing to do. So get your mammogram, schedule it. I always do mine typically on my birthday until I got cancer, and then now I have to do them a little more regularly, and that's okay. I'm okay with that. And the second reason that I do it is if we are going to spend our hard-earned money, there are some brands out there that really give back a lot. I mean, a lot. And Estee Lauder happens to be one of them. Ulta happens to be one of them. And Taylor happens to be one of them. But there's a lot. As I mentioned previously, whether you're looking for a specific wine or a food or a clothing item or jewelry, check and see if that brand gives back, and then you can find some wonderful things, especially during the month of October, where they are giving back. For instance, you know, like Naked Cashmere. I mean, what a great gift. And it doesn't have to scream breast cancer awareness for you to support, right? You buy whatever it is that you like, give it as a gift, keep it for yourself, and know that the portion of the money that you are spending is going to research for breast cancer awareness. All right, I'm done. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, just take a moment, give it a thumbs up. Now, don't forget, 48 hours, you guys have to go back in and then pick another winner. We don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. So don't make me do it. Don't make me pick another winner, you guys. So make sure that you reply to me within 48 hours, and then, you know, I'll DM you and we'll exchange addresses, and then I will get your stuff mailed off to you. Well, that is it. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you very soon. Bye, guys.